Hey everyone, I'd like to talk to you about my last retreat of 2024. And guess where it's going to be? Morocco! If you've ever wanted to come to Morocco and come paint with me, this is your chance. It's going to be in October. I think it's the 12th to the 19th. I'll have to look at the little stats, but yes, October 2024. This is the only retreat that's left that hasn't been sold out. All the other ones are all sold out for this year, and this is your last opportunity to have a lot of one-on-one time with me. I have workshops that have one-on-one time, but it's not as extensive as a retreat venue would be. And then it's in Morocco. This is actually in Agadir, Morocco, which is actually 2.5 hours south of Marrakesh. You would fly into Marrakesh, you get picked up in Marrakesh, and then taken down to Agadir, Morocco. This venue, I'm so excited about. I have several friends who've already hosted a retreat here and go on and on about it. Because in this venue, as you'll see in the slideshow after this, which is it's just a beautiful place itself, but they have like a person on premises who makes naan bread every day. We have a Moroccan tea ceremony. We have a ceremony the last night, a dress ceremony last night. We go to 2 towns and a souk. We go to Tazouk, which is like a beach town on the coast. And it kind of looks like Greece. You know, you've got like the whitewashed buildings and the blue trim and all. There's some kind of funky colors too. Go check it out. Go Google that town. You know, beautiful like buildings, like I said. Then we go to another one, to Turndat, which is like more of a walled city, and you see the palm trees. All these lovely excursions make phenomenal paintings, right? Every time I do a retreat, all the lessons are geared towards the place that we're in. So you would see if you were in Tuscany, like the rolling hills and all that stuff in France, etc., etc. So in Morocco, I mean, we have the yellow ochres, the burnt siennas, all those bright colors, like the tiles. It's like a feast for the eyes for an illustrator or an artist. It's just phenomenal. And you meet all kinds of new friends, you know, make new friends who love watercolor, who love to travel like you do. My first retreat in France in 2021, 2022, I can't remember anymore. Like 80% of the women still hang out and still talk to each other. They call it their sisterhood, and they say it was life-changing for them. And I bet it was, because you're meeting people who are passionate about similar interests that you don't have friends like that at home. Like you might have friends that, you know, like you like to hang out with, but they don't like to paint, they don't want to travel, they like to play golf, right? So this is a whole different experience. And and people go on about it. So it's just different. And like I said, you get a lot of one-on-one time with me because you're with me all day. Like we're at breakfast, we're at, you know, painting, we're at lunch, we're at dinner, you know, all that good stuff. And this venue is beautiful. They just actually renovated the pool, so it's gorgeous. Everyone's like, I talked to was like in the pool, out of the pool, in the pool, out of the pool. And I think October is a great time of year because it's, again, warm, so you can swim, and then cool, a little cooler at night. Yeah, and so like the places we go, the excursions we go are kind of really wonderful. And so I teach you different lessons each day geared towards the day and maybe the excursion. We'll be doing urban sketching. We'll be painting like, you know, landscapes and florals and just like a diary of where we are, right? And who doesn't want to go to Morocco? And Morocco is like amazing. There's so many cool things to look at in Morocco. So I'm going to show you a slideshow about the venue and talk a little bit more about it and show you some pictures of it. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Uptrek. This is the company that I partnered with for all my retreats. They're phenomenal, and they will answer all the questions that you have. I think this is going to be a once-in-a-life opportunity, and I hope to see you there because I think you're going to really love coming to Morocco and painting with me. I mean, hey, it's a win-win situation. And like I said, oh, there's one last thing I forgot to mention. Before the retreat happens, like 4 months out, I think 4 or 5 months out, we have a Facebook group, so you get to know people. So if you're hesitant about flying alone and, oh, who's going to go there, don't freak out. You're going to meet people from all over the country, or wherever they are, all over the world, actually. I have people from all over the world. Talk about where they're going to go beforehand, like where they're going to stay in hotels and maybe hook up and do excursions. So you get to know people before the retreat, so you don't feel afraid. And, you know, I don't think people should really worry about traveling alone. I'm traveling alone, you know, with today's cell phone and all the information out there. And Morocco isn't a scary place like people think it is. It's very progressive, like Marrakesh, compared to like other things you think of, but when it comes to like, you know, different countries. I mean, I think it's just as safe as going to New York or Boston. You have to be smart. You just can't go out by yourself as a woman anywhere at night. You know what I mean? You have to watch out. So don't freak out about that. But I really would love you to come to this retreat. I think it's going to be fantastic. And like I said, all the information is in the description box below. And yeah, like I said, reach out if you have any questions to Uptrek, and check out the slides. We're going to talk more about, experience painting with me and the actual venue. So I hope to see you in Morocco. Well, traveling and painting is one of my favorite things to do. And I'm giving you a glimpse into some past retreats. This is from Tuscany. Just showing you a little bit of like the excursions, what we painted, all that fun stuff. It's such a different experience when you're painting and traveling and meeting new people like this way. It's different than taking photographs on your camera. You're experiencing in a different light. You're seeing things differently. It's just, it's a lot of fun, and you meet some friends and you have a good time. I have yet to have a bad time on retreat. This is in Spain. We went to some great towns in Spain. Just beautiful. And every retreat is different. All I can say about it is just a wonderful learning experience. If all you get out of it is that you had a great time, and that's all that matters. That's in France. Just have a lot of fun. So really enjoy that. So Morocco, yes, look at this. This is the Atlas Casbah. How pretty is that? Look at the colors right there from the pool and the sky and the building. Gorgeous. And that pool looks so inviting. I can't wait to splash in it. My friends were in it all the time. This is one of the little areas in the venue. So pretty. I could just paint that. That looks so pretty. Look at the colors. I just love the colors. The outside by the pool, lounge chairs. We will have a lot of fun relaxing during our downtime. Trust me, relaxing and having fun, laughing. This is the room that we have a tea ceremony in. It looks so pretty. Look at the rugs. Oh my God. And a spa. Look at that spa. A steam bath spa. Just really beautiful. One of the rooms, the accommodations, what they kind of look like to give you a feel of what it looks like to, sleep there. And the food just looks amazing. I heard great things about the food at this venue, so I'm excited to actually go there and have some of it. And there's a woman like I was talking about that makes that beautiful naan bread every day. Oh yes, I'll be eating that. And here's the tea ceremony, showing a picture of what it looks like. The tea ceremony. I heard this is really great too. And this is one of the towns we're going on excursion. You wouldn't think you're going to a coastal town, but we're going to a coastal town. This is Tazouk. Look at the colors here. I mean, just beautiful. Different colored buildings, whitewashed ones, some blue trim, the ocean, really beautiful. The colors of the patterns of look like the bowls and the plates. It's like I said, a feast for the eyes for color and pattern and everything you want to think of. Look at that, the boats. I mean, it kind of looks like Greece, right? It's like you go into Greece and Morocco at the same time. I don't know, kind of funny. And I'm dying to go to the souk. The souk is where, like you see in the movie, like Sex and the City, when she goes to Abu Dhabi, went to the souk. I mean, I'm just like Morocco seems like that place. And here's the other town, Terradout, I think it's called. I can't remember the name, but really kind of cool, like walled city, really pretty. I mean, I would love to do the urban sketching with this. It's beautiful. So I hope to see you there. Like I said, have any questions, ask Uptrek. This is going to be a once in a lifetime experience. I'm so looking forward to it. All those beautiful colors and, subjects to paint. So check it out, and I hope to see you there.